Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about knitting, crochet and other crafts. And today we are on day 2 of what to knit or crochet when you're bored. So yesterday we crocheted a bag made with old clothes. I will leave a photo here. It was a really nice project. If you want to see, don't forget to check out my video. I will link down below. And today we are going to crochet headbands. I think that they are really trending right now, and I also think that this is going to be a really quick project, and it's also a nice accessory to complement your look, and or just crochet to give to a friend as well. And yeah, I think it will be really nice. You can just grab your yarn, go to your couch and just watch a movie while you're doing it. So yeah, we are going to start it. So guys, I was searching for yarn. I'm really into like not wasting this year because I feel like we really accumulate a lot of yarn and materials, and it's just a waste to not use it. So, and I also, when you're reusing stuff, I think that the project has like a different, like, it's special, I don't know. It's just creativity working and mixing all the things together. So I think I'm going for this. But I also think that this would look really nice on like a crochet color. So now I'm really, I don't know. But yeah, so we have these ones here. I have 2 of these. This is more than enough. I have this one that I bought specific, this one for to do punchy needle. So we have these, and then I also have some leftover. It's just a little bit, but I really think that just a little bit would be nice of this. And then I have like a regular. This was for the granny square balaclava, so I will leave the link down below. And with this project I also did the granny squares were like had the heart on the middle, so initially I just made a lot of hearts and just trying to do things really quick. And these were like the granny squares. I just have one so I can have a sample of this. This should go like from the back side, but never mind. And I have these granny squares, so but I think this is really wide for a headband. So yeah, but I have a lot of hearts and it's a shame not to use them. I think it's really cute. So probably I'm going for this, but as I said, you can do whatever shape that you want. Doesn't need to be granny square. You can just do a regular one and had really nice stitching. And if you're like me, you have your yarn like in several places in your home, and then it's really hard like to find them. Going to work on that. Don't say you don't have the same problem as me, because I know you have. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me, but I will work on that, I promise. So yeah, let's get into it, and I will see you guys in a few minutes. So I've made 5 granny squares. These are really small, but I just made these like this because when I'm joining, I'm going to use a stitch that is going to need a little bit of space, so it's going to look a little bit bigger. Hi guys, so we finished the headband. So this is how it looks. I end up doing like this single crochet cord because these stretch a lot. But if you see that yours doesn't stretch as much, you can just do some cord on each side, so you can tie on the back, so and then you can adjust. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to put this on. So this is how it looks. I still have my hair wet, but I think when it's dry it will look better because it will have more volume. But yeah, this is a really nice project. I didn't finish in the same day because I had stuff to do, but I think it's really cute and really cool. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up and comment. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!